I use Rottweilers in search and rescue, and I've been using them for 8 years.
Doing search and rescue can be difficult on a physical level, and I believe also on an emotional level. So you do want a dog with a high level of drive. They tend to work better, they tend to be able to hang in there longer.
The Rottweiler has an innate desire to work, it has an innate desire to please, and the ability for the Rottweiler to scent and work through frustration is one of the key attributes that I think make it an excellent search dog. There's 2 disciplines in the canine unit, search and rescue. One's a trailing dog, and the trailing dogs are very scent specific, whereby you would take a scent article from a subject.
Shoes are good because they're smelly, and they do scent off of car seats frequently, and they're then to find the person based on that one particular scent. So they are then searching down a path or a street or wherever it may be specifically for that scent.
The other type of search with canine is area search. That's general scent, where the brain can scent to clear a large